Hey, do you want to sell your home faster and for top dollar without breaking the bank? The secret is staging, and today I'll show you 7 budget-friendly home staging tips that will help you make a great first impression and attract more buyers. Plus, stick around until the end for a bonus tip that most sellers overlook. Buyers decide within seconds if they like a home. Staged homes sell faster and often for more money because they help buyers visualize themselves living in that space. Good news, staging does not have to be expensive. Even small tweaks can make a huge difference. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're ready to make your home stand out, and don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips. First tip, less is more. Buyers aren't just looking for a house, they're looking for a home they can imagine themselves in. Clutter and personal items make it harder for them to do that. Here's how to declutter effectively. Clean all surfaces. Kitchen counters, dining tables, bookshelves, bathroom vanities, they should all have minimal items. Think model home. Pack away any personal items. Family photos, awards, religious decor, and personal collections should be stored away. Why? Buyers need to see themselves in the home and not feel like they're intruding in your home. Declutter closets. Overstuffed closets make buyers think there's not enough storage. Pro tip, remove half the items in your closet and organize the rest neatly. Even color match. This makes your storage appear more spacious. Bonus, decluttering helps with packing before the move. Win-win. Our second tip, deep clean everything. Sparkle sells. A spotless home sends a powerful message. It shows buyers the home is well cared for. Deep clean those areas buyers always notice. Floors and baseboards. Dirty floors and dusty baseboards scream neglect. A quick mop and wipe down go a long way. Windows and mirrors. Clean windows, let more natural light in, making your home feel bright and airy. Kitchens and bathrooms. Polished stainless steel appliances. Clean grout and scrub sinks until they shine. Buyers will often check cabinets and under sinks. Make sure those areas are not dusty and messy. Another big one, odor control. Smell is a huge deal for buyers. Avoid strong air fresheners that feel overpowering. Instead, opt for more natural scents like subtle essential oil diffusers or baked cookies or even a candle. Our third tip, maximize your natural light. Bright homes sell faster. Dark homes feel smaller and less inviting, while bright homes feel open and overwhelming. How to get more light in your home? Open all the curtains and blinds. Natural light makes every room feel bigger. Swap out those heavy drapes for sheer or airy curtains. Upgrade your light bulbs. Use the warm, bright LEDs to create an inviting atmosphere. Add mirrors strategically. Placing mirrors opposite window bounces light off the mirrors around the room, making spaces feel larger. Pro tip, if a room lacks natural light, place a lamp in a dark corner to brighten it up. Define the purpose of each space. Our fourth tip, rearrange furniture for flow and function. Buyers need to see the function of each room and feel like they can move through it easily. Furniture staging basics. Clear pathways, make sure furniture isn't blocking doorways or walkways. Define the purpose of each space. That extra room, stage it as a home office instead of a random storage. A small living room, arrange seating to create an open conversation area. Remember, less is more. Too much furniture makes a room feel cramped. Store extra pieces in a garage or rent a storage unit if you need to. Here's your expert tip. Angle furniture slightly to create more of an open feel. Straight line furniture often looks too rigid. Here's your fifth tip. Add affordable decor for warmth and style. Small decor updates can make a home feel cozy and stylish and inviting without a huge investment. Affordable decor that makes a big impact. Throw pillows and blankets. They add color, texture, and a cozy feel to sofas and beds. Greenery and flowers. A simple vase of fresh flowers or a potted plant adds life to a room. Mirrors and artwork. simple, natural wall art helps rooms feel more put together without personalizing that space too much. Here's your pro tip. Stick to neutral, modern decor that appeals to most buyers. Our sixth tip, refresh the paint. Instant makeover. A fresh coat of paint instantly modernizes a home and makes it feel clean and fresh. Here are your best colors. Soft neutrals, light gray, beige, grayish, and warm whites appeal to most buyers. Touch up high traffic areas, baseboards and trim, scuffed walls, any of that. Accent walls. Only if subtle. Stick to soft colors and add dimension without overwhelming the space. Pro tip, painting is one of the cheapest and highest ROI updates for staging. Tip number 7, curb appeal. Your first impression starts before they ever get to the door. The outside of your home sets the tone for everything inside. Simple curb appeal upgrades that matter. Mow the lawn, trim the bushes, remove the weeds. Clean landscaping makes a home feel well kept. Paint your front door. A fresh coat of paint in a bold, inviting color makes a big impact. Add a doormat, potted plants. They create a welcoming entryway. And here's your pro tip. If your house looks great online, but the yard is messy in person, buyers will lose interest before they ever walk in the door. Bonus tip, stage key rooms first. If you're short on time or budget, prioritize. The living room, the most emotional center of the home. The kitchen. Buyers care a lot about the kitchen. And the master bedroom. A well-staged master bedroom feels relaxing and inviting. Virtual staging hack. If you can't stage in person, use virtual staging for your online listing photos. Remember, staging does not have to be expensive. Small strategic updates can completely transform your home's appeal. Which tip are you excited to try first? Drop a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe for more real estate tips. And we'll see you next time.